miracle of modern science, they have successfully bred chickens to lay garlic bulbs instead of eggs. Oh yeah, what will they think of next? These power-packed little garlic cloves here are very healthy, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antiviral, so let's grow some. The easiest way to grow garlic is just by separating. So you take a bulb of garlic, which has many cloves, all separated. You just break them apart. One clove will grow into a new bulb of garlic. The direction with garlic cloves does matter though when you grow it this way. You want to make sure that the bottom that you broke off is still the bottom when you plant it in the soil. The top of the garlic, the tip, is where that green shoot will come out. Now, you can plant garlic quite early. In fact, actually, you can plant garlic in the fall for the following spring, and it will lay dormant and come up when temperatures are suitable. Or if you are planting in the springtime, try and get it in the ground 6 to 8 weeks before your last frost. Now, see, here's a good example of on that. You can see that green shoot is coming out of the top. That's what you want facing upwards towards the sky. Garlic's pretty versatile. Plenty of water. Obviously, it's a spring root vegetable, so to speak. Similar, I think, kind of like onions. Grows in a surprisingly wide pH range, 5.5 to 7.5. You can grow it in a lot of different soil conditions. It loves nitrogen. You're fertilizing with an NPK fertilizer. You're going to want 16.6 on your NPK rating. There's two different types of garlic you can grow. There's hardneck and softneck. Hardneck will, as it sounds, stand up, nice straight solid stalks. The softneck will look the same when it's growing, but when at the end of the season, when the garlic is done growing, a softneck will literally fall over and lay on the ground. And ultimately, I've missed picking softnecks before, and the next season you'll have a big cluster of new garlic sprouts. If you're wanting to grow for like these awesome garlic braids, you're going to want to grow a hardneck variety. Now, pollination. We don't often grow garlic for seed, but certainly you can. It produces a lot of seed out of one flower. Again, similar to an onion flower. Each of those little white pouches will be full of seeds. One flower produces a ton of garlic seed. That being said, it's still generally much easier to just propagate by splitting cloves out of a whole bulb. The list of benefits for garlic is long. We've already talked about anti-inflammatory, antiviral, antifungal. It's good for lowering blood pressure. The list of vitamins: B1, B6, C, fiber, selenium, calcium, potassium, iron, manganese. There's a lot to garlic. Here we've got harvesting some hardneck garlic. You notice they're not flopped over on the ground, but you could see the yellowing and dying off of the outer leaves. And also, clearly, timing wise, if it's been in the ground for a long time, you're coming to the end of the season, it's not a nutrient deficiency or something why they're yellowing. And these are the goodies that you make those cool looking braids out of. Clean them up, braid them while they're still green enough to do, and hang them to dry. 1 clove of garlic is about 5 calories. bulb can contain anywhere, 10 to 20 cloves. It really depends on the variety. Some varieties have small cloves, others have large cloves, all the way up to elephant garlic. It's giant. Go grow some garlic.